Mercedes-Benz, a pioneer in automotive safety, continues to push the boundaries with their cutting-edge active safety technology. With over 40 active assistance systems, Mercedes-Benz is significantly contributing to road safety, notably through its active brake assist with pedestrian detection. This groundbreaking system utilizes camera and radar sensors to detect pedestrians and cyclists in the vehicle's path, calculating precise braking forces to prevent or minimize collisions. Pedestrians, considered vulnerable road users, account for a significant portion of road fatalities. Mercedes-Benz's technology aims to change that. Since 2012, over 10 million Mercedes-Benz cars worldwide have been equipped with this pedestrian emergency braking system, significantly enhancing pedestrian safety. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to real-life safety extends beyond crash test scenarios. Their goal: achieving Vision Zero by 2050, aiming for zero accidents involving their vehicles. As Mercedes-Benz continues to innovate and invest in cutting-edge safety technology, they're not just building cars, they're ensuring a safer future for all road users.